The key question that I always make to myself is why? Why has Italy not thrived in the tech ecosystem the same way that other European countries have done so? I come to the conclusion that it has a lot to do with the way that risk is embraced, and the fact that the ecosystem in Italy doesn't necessarily support or embrace failure. No? If you don't allow people to make mistakes and you don't create the culture for people to be able to make those mistakes, then you don't figure it out. No? So I think that the biggest challenge that Italy has today, it's probably cultural. It's coming from the idea of years and years that when you do something, you have to succeed, and if you don't succeed, people don't look right to you. And that's probably one of the biggest things that have driven success in places like Silicon Valley.